Already. I've already finished my homework. Almost. It's almost midnight. Believe. I believe in myself. Bring. Can you bring me some water? Build. They're building a new school. Busy. She's always busy with work. Carry. I can carry that bag for you. Change. People change over time. Choose. You can choose any color you like. Clean. I need to clean my room. Clear. It's clear that he's tired. Clothes. I bought new clothes yesterday. Cold. It's really cold outside. Count. Can you count to 10? Decide. I can't decide what to wear. Deep. The lake is very deep. Different. This one is different from the rest. Early. I wake up early every day. Easy. It's easy to learn if you practice. Enough. I don't have enough money. Even. He didn't even say goodbye. Ever. Have you ever been to London? Everybody. Everybody loves music. Everything. Everything is going fine. Example. Can you give me an example? Feel. I feel happy today. Few. Only a few people know about it. Find. I can't find my phone. Follow. Follow me on Instagram. Forget. Don't forget your keys. Fun. The party was really fun. Future. The future looks bright. Guess. Can you guess my age? Happy. She looks so happy today. Hard. This exam is really hard. Hold. Hold my hand. Hope. I hope everything will be okay. Hurt. Don't hurt yourself. Idea. That's a great idea. Improve. I want to improve my English. Inside. Stay inside. It's raining. Instead. Let's stay home instead. Interest. I have an interest in art. Job. He got a new job last week. Join. You can join our group. Keep. Keep going. Don't stop. Kind. She's very kind to everyone. No. I know what you mean. Learn. I want to learn more English words. Leave. I have to leave now. Life. Life is beautiful. Listen. Listen to me carefully. Long. It's been a long day. Lose. Don't lose your wallet. Love. I love learning English. Maybe I'll come later. Meet. Nice to meet you. Moment. Wait a moment, please. Money. Money can't buy happiness. Move. Let's move to a new place. Never. I've never tried sushi. Next. Next time will be better. Nothing. There's nothing to do. Often. I often go for walks. Once. I saw him once in Paris. Open. Can you open the window? Outside. Let's go outside. Own. I have my own room. Plan. What's your plan for today? Probably. It will probably rain. Quickly. Get ready quickly. Quiet. Be quiet, please. Real. Is this a real story? Ready. Are you ready? Reason. There's a reason for everything. Remember. Remember to call me. Return. When will you return home? Same. We're in the same class. Share. I'll share my notes with you. Short. It was a short movie. Show. Can you show me? Simple. The rules are simple. Slow. He speaks too slow. Sometimes I feel lazy. Sound. That sounds good. Start. Let's start the lesson. Stay. Stay strong. Still. Are you still here? Stop. Stop talking, please. Sure. Are you sure? Talk. Can we talk later? Together. We can do it together. Try. Turn left at the corner. Understand. I don't understand this part. Use. How do you use this app? Wait. Wait a second. Watch. Let's watch a movie. Work. I work from home. World. The world is changing fast.